Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. So today I got a parcel from Whichcraft, do you do? And it's an Australian company from Victoria. So let's have a look what I got. So this is it. Whichcraft, do you do? So there's a little pack here. Let's have a look what's in this. Oops. Got some little buttons. Oh, there's another one. And a card, a bit of embroidery lace. I think that's a little fairy sticker. A cut-out picture. Some little... Oh no, that's not two, that's just one. Some of those. Some of that. Some of that. I think that was a vintage package or something. I don't know. I just got some glue, art glitter. I believe this is quite good stuff. So there we go. And then I got a little top to go with it, with the pin so it doesn't dry up. I got some tags. They're nice and big. I got some Tim Holtz philosophy tags. They look quite thick too. And then I got a, oh, there's another button. Oops, a daisy. I like the paper that was in. It's nice. I'll just wrap that up nicely. I'm going to keep this box to put... Oh, look, and I got this. So this one must have been a freebie for getting your stuff. And this was the... oh, it's been sewn. Look at that. How good is that? Open this up. And it's a pocket with lots of really interesting... Oh, it's several pockets. Look at that. Oh, I like this. That's really nice. Must try and get some 12 by 12 paper to make things with. I'm finding it very hard to find that kind of paper. Let's have a look what's in this box. I'm just going to move that out of the way. This was a kit box. Ooh, that's nice paper. Ooh. Oh, I like these buttons. So these buttons are good. These ones with the sorry, you can't see. I'm trying to undo that. So I like, look at that, it's pretty. And I like these ones with the things through. because you can make like tags and stick it through and then put a bit of ribbon or something through it. And I've made a couple like that for bookmarks for my books. So they're nice. I like those ones. They've got all different sizes and designs. Got pretty ones like that. And then some like this, I guess you could sew on. And some like this. So that's nice. I'll just put those over there. Then it's, what's this? Tim Holtz stars. It says they're charms. Yeah, pull that on. Maybe it's stuck down. Oh, it's not going to come out. Oh, I want to. Oh. Okay. Oh, they are solid little. So I guess you just stick them down. That's nice. This was like a mystery box, so I don't know what was in it. There was a couple to choose from, so I just chose one. This is some lace with a tag on it. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that. Oh, I like those. Nice. Oh, and it's got some pieces of linen. Oh, look at that one. That's pretty. Miller and French. Oh, I like that. And then it's got some nice tags. They're pretty too. And a rusted old. Oh, look at that. Some pretty lace on one of those old, I remember my mum using these clothes pegs. So that's a good idea to put lace on, isn't it? And then some tags with some string. Let's put those over there. And some envelopes with closures. I've got a sore thumb, so I might have to do that like that. Oh yeah, there you go. Okay. 4 of those. They'll be good for keeping things in, actually. And then some stencil numbers. Don't actually know what they are. I'm figuring they're name tags of some kind. But you could put your own in there. And then just little telephones for embellishments. Nice. Well, I'm happy with this little box so far. Oh, some of those little pins. I like these because you can hang charms on them, I discovered. Of course, everyone probably knows this, but I'm just starting, so. And I used to get these on, you know, clothes tags, and I always used to keep them because I always thought they were cute. I didn't realise you could actually buy them, but I do like them, and I like that they're different colours. And these look like napkins. Let's have a look. Yeah, they are. They're very soft napkins, actually. Oh, they're pretty. So they're opposite sides. So I guess you could go like that and then they'd be the same on both sides. I like those too. And then what do we have here? A guest checklist and some book pages. I like this paper. I'm going to keep that too. Oh, that's a dictionary pages. That's very small but cute. And would have never have thought of the amount of these that I've thrown away in my travels is unbelievable. These guest checklist things. I should have kept them all. Who knew that one day I would need them? And then this beautiful paper. That I'm going to fold up very gently so it doesn't rip, and put it back in the box. So that was my little haul that I got from Whichcraft Do You Do, and I love it. Thank you very much. I'm going to have fun doing things with all of these things, and thank you for watching, and until the next time, please take care everyone, and I'll catch you later. Bye for now.